Hey there, my name is Peyton Igo. I run a digital marketing agency called Igo Productions. And in this video, I'm going to share with you why you can't simply just post to Facebook and expect your business to grow. Let's get into it, shall we? Now, if you're like most small business owners I know, you've heard that, hey, you need to use social media to grow your business. The problem is, if you're like most small business owners I know, you probably don't have a firm grasp of social media marketing. And it's not your fault. It's not your fault at all, because you're great at what you do, okay? And you have your certain skill sets, and that's fine. I don't know pretty much a lick about accounting, but it is not my specialty. I don't know that very well. For you, it may be social media marketing, but you got to understand this strategy, because if you don't understand this simple strategy, what I'm going to share with you in this video, you're going to sit there, you're going to be frustrated, you're going to be yelling at your employees, you're going to be saying, why isn't this working? You're going to be frustrated, you're going to be butting your head, ramming against the wall, saying, I'm just trying to make money with this thing and it's just not working out. What's going on? So, I'm going to share with you why you can't simply just post to Facebook. It all has to do with Facebook's business model. They allow all of these people to come and use their platform to gather and kind of be like a town square, if you will. These platforms like Facebook have essentially become town squares where people can go, they can congregate, share their opinions, connect with people, and share different thoughts and ideas and different things like that. So how does Facebook end up going about making their money in this business model that they have? Well, they are reliant on ads. Paid advertising, where they sell attention. They're in the game of selling people's attention. So Facebook is in the business of selling attention, the attention of their users. That's why it's an amazing platform. It's an amazing platform because you can get your message right in the nose, right in the face of your ideal customer. And if it's a good message, it's the right time, you combine all the factors together, it can be powerful, it can be awesome, and you can make a lot of money when you do it properly. Because Facebook makes money this way, what's it going to do to the people who just try to post organically, which is likely what you're trying to do? Say you're not doing ads. You say, okay, well, I'm just going to do my, let's just say I try to post 3 times a day. All right, so you post 3 times. You got to consider this. Let's say that you have a small business page and you post on there the 3 times a day. You have, let's simplify things. Let's say that you have probably just 100 people that follow your page, right? You are going to only be limited to a percentage. This right here, you're only going to be limited to a percentage of that audience. And this is the reason why. And that's of the people that follow you. That's the people that like your page, right? Because Facebook makes the money here. They want to encourage businesses to do that. So if they just gave all kinds of crazy reach where you could go and get your post in front of everybody, not just the people who follow you, but people also that you're trying to grow. You're trying to grow this number right here. You try to take this up and up and up and up and up. And if Facebook's algorithm allowed you to just make these 3 posts and just say 1 or 2 or 3, it doesn't matter how many really, but it allowed you to reach an exuberant number of people just with your organic content, their business model would completely fall apart, because that's how they make money. So they incentivize you as the small business owner. If you are going to use their platform, if you are going to go to their town square, and if you want to share your message where a lot of people can hear it, that you come over there and you give them the cash. Think of it what you will. You could say that's unfair. Really, it's attention. Now, just like old traditional TV advertising where people used to sit around as families all day and watch TV. Well, now the channels are different. Now there's so many different platforms. And Facebook just tends to be one of the biggest ones. So this is what you're paying for. You're paying for attention. And I know that I wrote it sideways, but you can forgive me for that. You're paying for this attention. So if you want more attention, you've got to try to incorporate paid advertising. And the reality is, it is cheaper than you really think it is. You can get started with just $3 a day for an ad set. You're not going to get as many results as you'd like, but $3 a day will get you started. You can start getting a few conversions here or there. And that's the key to this marketing stuff. It's gathering data on which advertisements are the best for you, what audiences are the best for you to target your ad sets, and also what campaigns would be the most profitable for you to run. You just got to test everything in this. So that's the reason why you can't expect to just use organic methods, why you can't expect to just post 1 post a day, even 10 posts a day organically, and to see a bunch of money just coming into your bank account. So just to recap, the reason you're not able to grow your small business online using Facebook organically, like posting content on your page, is because that goes against what Facebook's trying to do, how they make money. Facebook's trying to make money. It's a business. I mean, they can't give away everything for free, right? I mean, just like your business. Would you want to give everything away for free? Probably not. Facebook's not a nonprofit. If you have your own business, you're not running a nonprofit, you're trying to make some too. So, can't blame them. It's the name of the game. It's still great potential for getting your ideal customer's attention like almost no other, because of the way that the amount of data they do pull on everybody and the way that you can really create a avatar, if you will, and target that person. So you got to try Facebook ads if you're not already. And if you need help with that, if you need help getting them set up, you don't know where to go, what to do, go down below in the description and schedule a free strategy session with me or a member of my team, and we will help you out. Because we want to help you be able to grow your small business online, and Facebook ads is just one of the many resources that we have available. And not only will we help you set up your Facebook ad campaigns, but we will also help you create compelling advertisements. I personally love using video because the ability it has to connect with your ideal customer, reach a bunch of people, and gather a lot of data so you can use it for your targeting. It's a powerful tool. So we use a lot of video, and we use a lot of video for our clients too. So if you're interested in that, the link is in the description. Go schedule that strategy session now. I want to thank you for watching. Make sure that you subscribe because I'm uploading a new video every day for an entire year. And if you're still here, and I'm thankful that you are, I don't want this party to end. So go ahead, watch one of the videos on either side of me right here, and I'll see you in that next video that you choose to watch. Thanks.